Hello, my name is Elvis Bassanese and I would like to show you how I succeeded to use SketchUp in producing cabinets. First of all, I would like to show you how we use normally the way to define a space in SketchUp. Adding walls using also a plugin to do it shortly, and then to add openings like doors or windows. This way we used a component to do it in a more easy way, and having also possibility to add directly to insert the dimensions like we can see here, the width and the length. This way we can very simply, using also the positioning tool, to add, and then to add a plane to open the whole space. Now I would like to show you the way I defined to place base components. These components, as you can see, have defined dimensions and also materials, but in fact these elements have no inside elements like drawers, doors, and so on. This is because we would like to position very fastly and to define first of all the dimension of each element and position them on each space, in each position into the space. So this way I defined what is my intention. My intention is that. Then after that I would like to change these base elements with elements we have, as you can see here, done before and inserted into the database. These elements are now changed, and they receive the dimension and the material we defined before. So these elements are parametrical elements which I did using a SketchUp Pro version of the program. So it is very easy to change, easy to add more elements inside, and we used also all the knowledge normally the woodworking companies have. After that, as you can see, we use a program which was developed for reading the 3D model. And what does it do? So we receive a list of materials, you can see here, directly into the Excel, and here we receive all the data which we need for cutting. This data we are also importing directly into different types of optimization program. You can see here these elements directly on the plates, and here we are ready to go to cut with a beam saw or a panel saw. At the same time, we also, as you can see here, we receive all the programs which are used on the CNC machines, and you can see also here 4 elements for each element. They are in a different directory. These elements are ready to send to machines. Here we can see how we will do the production directly. So first of all, we are cutting, so we are using the schemes we receive from the optimization program, and we are drawing directly the beam saw, for example, or a usual panel saw. And here we receive all the dimensions from the list, from the program, and the program received from SketchUp. Here we will see the second part. So from the cutting, we go to do all the works on the CNC machine. There we are ready. The machine will do the borings, also gluing and routing if it is necessary. So everything that is needed on each plate. After this, you can see that each element are ready for the next step. On each element we can also add barcodes, which will, as you can see here, each barcode has also the name of the program for the CNC, and we have also all the data necessary for the edge banding. So on each label there are 4 sides. On each side we have a name of the edges. As a final stage, we are mounting, assembling all these elements, final components, final cabinets. It depends on the way we are doing. Like here, you can see the doweling, gluing of each element. This step we can use presses for mounting or do it manually. Then we assemble also all the doors, all the hardware which are inserted at the same time, and that's it. So all cabinets are then ready